Mingyuan, are you ready? Okay, Mingyuan, can you look at this now? Uh, I need I need all of you to look at this. I need space, so I'm going to erase this. Now, this one, that Nigel, this is very important. It always come out in the exam. It gets so popular nowadays. It come out even on questions that is not graph question. Okay, let me explain. Can you highlight the word solution and write the one word that represents solution? What's that one word? Now intersection means I'm looking at a curve and a line, and I'm looking at the value, the tree value. Kunj, can I continue? Oh, I not even soft C. Oh, okay. Okay. And so now I will ask you, how do I solve? If you use mode 3 straight away 0 mark. Because the question say use your graph. So don't use calculator mode 3, but you can use your calculator to check. So now how to solve? First, I want you to I will write down the steps for you. I run the steps for you. Can you write down C part 1? C part 1. Where do you write this? My suggestion is you write on the graph paper. Behind the graph paper can? In front of the graph paper also can? Also can. But since I need space and I just do it here, it's easier. Okay, now I start. First, copy down the question. X squared minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Can you write down? Make left hand side equal to the original curve. Can you help me to decide which y equals to x squared? This is the original curve, right? Now my original curve refers to y equals to x squared minus 2x minus 3. This is the original curve. This is the one that you have drawn. Do you agree? This is the original curve. This is the one you have drawn on your graph paper. So you make the left hand side exactly the same. Is it the same? Same. Once it's the same, you can proceed with the next step. Can you write down? Replace original curve with y. Do you understand the next step? So this whole thing is the same as y, right? So does it make sense I can replace this whole thing with y? Yes? Yes. So write down in the color that you're writing, y equals to 0. So what you are going to do, you are going to draw this and you're going to tell me what is the answer. So what is y equals to 0? What line is it? X intercept or y intercept? X intercept. Very good, right? X intercept. Y equals to 0, so it's x intercept. X intercept means I go back to my graph. Where are you? This is my graph. This is my y intercept. This is my x intercept. Black can see. Red can see. This is my x-axis. So where is the intersection between the x-axis and the line? Do you see the 2 point? Now you need to mark the 2 point to tell the teacher that you didn't press mode 3.3. So how do you write? You write down this one minus 1. This one 1. This is the answer for C part 1. C. Oh, sorry, 3. Can see or not? This is 3, right? This is C part 1, right? C part 1. Write in pen or pencil on the graph paper is okay. But behind in pen. So after this, what do you write? Go back to your back, right? Your back of the paper, then you write. Therefore, answer is, can I move back to the thing? So the answer is, so I go back to blue. X equals to minus 1 or x equals to 3. Now, no need. You already label from the graph. So, students can write this and get 0 if they never refer back to the graph. You can press mode 3.3, get this and get 0. You must show on the graph, point to that these two number, this is the answer of C part 1. Okay. Now let us go on to C part 2. Now C part 2, no more explaining the red sentences. I will go straight to x squared minus 2x minus 5 equals to 0. Question. Does this look like the original curve? No. I compare. X squared, same. Minus 2x, same. Minus 3? No. So I must do this. I must do something on both sides. Plus 2. Can you press calculator? Minus 5 plus 2, do you get minus 3? So plus 2 this side, plus 2 this side. So I do the both sides do the same thing. Do you agree if I plus 2 is the same? Alright, so what I do is I write down plus 2 plus 2. So what I do here? What did I do here? I just plus 2 on both sides. Aritina, do you know why I plus 2? Plus 2 because minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. Now I continue. Oh, is this the original curve? Yes. So replace it with y. So y equals to 2. So draw this. Draw this and label the x-intercept and label C part 2. Draw means you must draw a line. You cannot just put two crosses. So let me show you how it looks like. So y equals to 2 is here. Blue cannot see. Y equals to 2 is here. So drop down. Can you tell me the value? Can I have some value? Negative what? 1.5. This one? 3.3. So this is 3.3. This is negative 1.5. C part 2. C part 2. Okay, 1.5 is good. Okay. But what do you do after labeling? Go back to the blank piece, the blank side, and then write down C part 2. Answer is negative 1.45 or negative 3.4. Okay. 3.5 not so okay. Maybe 3.5 is okay. 3.3 is not so okay. So you just have the range. Okay, it's your first time drawing. Let's don't be so critical on ourselves first. Okay, but you roughly must know what is going on. If 3.5 is okay, then 3.6 is okay. But if 3.3 is okay, then you are not okay. So I don't know what is the answer. I just roughly. I don't know because my pen is very thick. Can you mode 3 everyone? I'm serious. Mode 3 this everyone. Plus minus 5. So 3.4 plus minus 0.1. Plus minus 0.1. Plus minus 0.1. Do you understand the sentence plus minus? So 3.4 minus 1 minus 0.1. 3.4 plus 0.1. Understand? Okay. Okay, good. Now, so again, wow, this is mistake. This is part 3, right? The solution to this is on question 1. Do you see that I already solved this for you? Okay, remember, this is question 1. This is question 1. Remember, I said I don't want to do question 1, but I want to do all the question parts in question 1 so that you don't have to draw another new graph. So this is what we will do. The solution to the equation this. Do you know this is just now that question? Can, Now, I'm going to write this on question 2. Can? Can? So what you do is this. I show you. Can you do this? Cancel this is G. And then bring it down. Do you know what I'm doing? Do you know what I'm doing? I'm reusing the question below. So that you no only the C I change to G. The C change to G, I bring it below. Now can you look at your graph? Tell me the value of Y when X is 0.5. How do I write that in the book? When X is 0.5, is it easy? Negative 3.8. Alright, so let's take a look. So no need to copy or what, you just circle, then you bring down. So let's look at the graph now. X is 0.5, easy or not? What happened? Black, I take black. 0.5 is here. Draw a line. Oh, sorry, thank you. Oh, what happened? X is 0.5. So vertical line. Draw. Straight, draw. Wait. What the question say? Find the value, is it? No. Sorry, I correct myself. When they say find the value of Y when X is what? Don't draw the solid line, draw a dotted line. But that one, they say soft, right? You draw the solid line. This one is find the value only. So you just dotted line. So I change my working here. A bit confusing, but it's me. So this is G part 1. Negative what? 3.8. Okay. Okay. 3.6. 3.7, okay. 3.8, okay. Okay, so somewhere around there. The what top? Touch the graph, then you go the other way. Find the value of Y. Read your C part 1 in question 1. Next, G part 2. What did he say? Find the what? Least value. So where's the least value here? Oh, negative 4. So this is G part 2. What? Least value equals negative 4, right? Least value equals negative 4. Oh, okay. G part 1, G part 2. What is after G? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. H. Now, let's look back at question 1. Sorry, I should have complete question 2 first. This one I change to H. This one I change to I. I want you to do question 1 CDE to question 2 GHI. H. State the line of symmetry of the graph. No or don't know? No, So you look at where is the mirror line. I. Drawing a tangent, find the gradient. So let's start. Where are you? G part 3 no need lah, cause you're done already ma. G part 3 is the kind of question. The draw. I'm doing H, which is D in question 1. So where's the line of symmetry? 1. So H answer is X equals to 1. No, line of symmetry is the equation. Remember in common test you wrote 1 and get 0 mark? You must write X equals to 1, right? Remember? It's not draw the graph, no need to draw. Does that make sense? Okay. I says what? Tangent at what? X equals to 1. Can you take out a ruler now? X equals to 1 here, right? Here, right? Can you draw a tangent that is shooting up? Okay. Must touch the graph, Must touch. Kiss. Yeah, that's another way of saying it. But yeah, so must touch the graph. After that, label 2 points. The first point, where's your graph paper? Where's your graph paper? Huh? Done. Huh? Then the whole lesson you just, where is it? Where is the paper? Where's the paper? Where's the graph paper? Yesterday got drawn or not? Where is it? Yeah. But I need you to find two. I need you to find 2 points that easy to read one. Don't give me the 1.234 that kind of decimal place. Find the 2 points. This is good. This is good. Can you draw now? Can you calculate the gradient and pause the video? Hey Gerald. So E. Last one, minus x plus 1. Put in the minus 1, I get 2. Put in the 0, I get 1. Put in the 1, I get 0. Can you mark that 3 points? Why are y'all singing? Huh? I read wrongly. Oh, you mean the end point, is it? Okay, it's okay. What you need to do is you need to draw the line long enough so that you will cut x equals to -2 and x equals to 4. Draw a line long enough. It's okay. But is it okay if I use -2, 0, and 4? Okay. Can I use -2, 0, and 4? Okay. But don't draw such that it's such a short line. Only join these 2 points, then cannot. You need to extend. Understand? Reason because of F. What is F? Write down the value f part 1. Can we answer f part 1 together? Okay, we are not leaving this place until we complete the question. So f part 1. Our line is straight. Are you following? Yeah. Oh, can I wait for you? Not necessary to do negative 2 and 4, but you must extend the line. Can you imagine I only join these 3 points? Don't touch the curve. Where got intersection? I extend, cut. Don't extend, don't cut. I extend. Okay, 4 is correct. Correct. I don't care. Okay. Right. No, you must extend the line until it cuts the graph. Yes. Good. 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 Label. Can you make sure you label this blue line? So many things on the graph. Messy, right? Minus x plus 1 must label. Can use, okay, my mistake. I'm sorry. I should use minus 2, 0, and 4, okay? Then you won't have this problem. Then you drop. No, F. Hey, I save you, I save your life, Instead of drawing 2 separate graphs, I only draw 1 graph now, Now, wait. So, F part 1, write down the coordinate where 2 graphs meet. So, what do I write? Write down the x coordinate. Write down the x coordinate. X equals to F. X equals to minus 2. Minus. No, write down the x coordinate. Minus 1.3. Or 1.3, Negative 1.3. Or x equals to. Do you know how I get this? Can I use the highlighter? Do you see this point where I touch? Wait, I think of my hammer first. Order. Hey. Okay, there's a plus, minus. Now, next, the x also equals to what? Okay? Now, chill. Later on, when we mark the real one, I just want you to know how to do. Can I look at part 2 now? Part 2 says what? Can I read the question? These values are the solution for ax squared plus bx plus c. Find the value of a, b, and c. GG. Can you give me... Okay, everyone stop. Everyone look up. Please put down your pen. Put down your curve ruler. Put down all your weapons. Put down. Surrender. Okay, don't move. Okay, only I take pen. Now, everyone don't move. Please hurry up. I want to release you. Now, F part 2 is a question that requires you to understand. So let's start. It says that the solution, this solution is the answer for this thing. How do I find out what is this thing? Very good, very creative. Sub sub is no good because you have simultaneous equation. So just now, Jia Xuan said, teacher, can I work backward? X plus 1.6, x minus 2.5 is equal to 0. Then I expand, then I get back this. This is the first time I hear this solution. It is correct. However, you realize this one will not give you whole number. Your x, your ABC most likely is a fraction or decimal. Thank you. Can I show you the method to do it? What Jia Xuan said is not wrong, but Jia Xuan 我不可以快点讲，因为他一直讲话。I can't continue because you are talking. Now this method is not wrong, but this method will not give you the A, B, and C because most likely the solution here is a decimal. Now what this question wants is to ask you whether you understand the question or not. Now let's look at the question. How do I give birth to these 2 points based on 2 graphs? Can you tell me the first graph? Y equals to x squared minus 3. The other one, y equals to. Do you agree or not? If I solve this simultaneously, I will get the intersection of the 2 points. No. Do you agree that if I solve this simultaneously, I will get x equals to something, x equals to something? This one is from, this is from E. This is from your E. Look at your E. E asks you to find the graph, right? Okay, ask you a question. If I ask you to solve simultaneous, what will you do? You will sub in, right? Can you move, rearrange? Rearrange give you what? Do you know this is the answer for your A, B, and C? A is 1, B is -1, C is -4. Yeah, you get a close answer, but the number is decimal. Round off, round up, round down, round down. No. So my advice in exam, don't do this. But this is a very strong concept. If you can tell me this means you understand the concept. But traditionally, this is the way to solve it. This is given the curve, given the straight line, when you solve simultaneous, you are supposed to get an equation, right? If you go down further, you solve this, you will get the real answer of the intercept. A equals to 1. So you must write A equals to 1. A equals to 1. B is -1. C is -4. Before I end, 2 more things. If I solve this, do you see that the answer is negative? No. Something wrong there. Can you note 3 here? What is the answer? What's the decimal? Good. 2.56. Note again. Good. Very good. You see, these 2 numbers are good. Second last thing is that. Last thing is homework of today is the next graph you need to draw. No. What is the next graph? Still recording, This is the next graph due Due 4 of April. Tomorrow lah. Unless I can find a quiz for tomorrow, and then you'll find it. Remember, this graph is an angry graph. You don't draw means I'll be very angry. Right, thank you class.